In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your profile picture and also your username on Spotify. It's very simple and easy. So on your interface like this, you tap on your profile there. At the top left corner of your screen, you can see the arrow on your screen there. Tap on that. And now let's tap on view profile here. Good. So now we can see edit here. You can see these are our playlists, the ones we formed ourselves. And all we need to do is just tap on the edit here. And we get the chance to, you see a pencil beside the profile picture. Yeah, and you can also tap on the username to edit it. When I tap on the cancel there, I cancel it. Let me make it our channel's name. Yeah, for tutorial purposes. I'm not going to save that. But then after that, you can see save at the top right corner of your screen. Save there. Tap on that. And then the picture too, you tap on the pencil. I don't want you guys to see the images on my mobile phone. Yeah, privacy sake. So you tap on the pencil, you're just going to open an images or your gallery, and then you choose your image and then you add it, and you tap on the save. So after saving, you have a new username and a profile picture too on Spotify. It's very simple and easy. So that's it on how you change your username and your profile picture on Spotify. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.